I'm Dr. Anil Shah, and I'm going to talk about my hair journey. Growing up, my hair has always been part of my identity. I've had all sorts of hairstyles, some good, some bad. Along the way though, hair has been critical to the way I perceive myself and the way I look. As I've aged, I've noticed slow regression of parts of my hairline. This was distressing to me. I brushed my hair, looked in the sink, and I looked at my pictures and noticed that my hair didn't look just as ideal as it did before. Being a facial plastic surgeon, I've had access to all sorts of techniques, including strips, FUEs, but I waited. I waited for the robot to be part of my practice. The reason I chose the artist was because I understand how precise this robot can be in relation to harvesting hair. The strip procedure wasn't an option for me. If I wanted to wear my hair shorter, there would be a visible scar. Manual FUE really wasn't an option either. When you harvest by hand, there's always less successful hair grafts being harvested. So for my procedure, I chose the artist robot and chose my own office, of course, including Dr. Chugtai. We planned my hair together and talked about realistic hair goals. It was great for me to be a patient because I've understood my patients' hair worries for so many years. Designing my hair and being part of that process was really exciting. Prior to the procedure, I used Rogaine, which was going to help my hair stay in the proper phase of hair growth. I also used Men Cosmetic, which is going to help my body heal faster and have less bleeding. It was a lot easier process than I thought. That morning, I actually operated, and I was supposed to start at 11 a.m. I ended up coming at noon. I actually didn't feel anything during my procedure. I had a combination of nitrous and oral medication. The procedure itself was pretty quick and actually effortless. My procedure took a total of 3 hours. My first few days were actually effortless as well. I did my procedure on a Friday, and my goal was to get back to work on Monday. Along the way, I've done some injections with regenerative medicine, including PRP and exosomes. Now that I'm a year out, I'm super excited to share my results. And not only am I a client, I'm also the doctor.